Chapter 10. Government Formation, Elections and Voting. Vote. The principal of your school has asked the class teachers to elect a monitor from each class. How will the class elect a monitor? The teacher will identify 4 students who would make good monitors. These 4 students will be called candidates. The class teacher will give a small sheet of paper to each student in the class and ask them to write the name of any one candidate of their choice on it. Each student is now a voter. Each sheet with the name of a candidate written on it is a vote. Each sheet is put in a box. This process is known as voting. After this, the votes will be counted. The candidate who gets the maximum number of votes will be declared the winner and is elected as the monitor of the class. All the elected monitors form the student council of the school. Democracy and elections. In the previous chapter you have read that in India, we have a democratic form of government. Democracy is a government of the people, by the people and for the people. India is the largest democracy in the world. In a democratic country, we choose the leaders of our country through the process of elections. The people who vote are called voters. The elected leaders form the government. Government is a group of people who are responsible for controlling a country or a state. Elections are conducted after every 5 years. All the citizens who are 18 years of age or above have the right to vote. This right is called Universal Adult Franchise. Election Commission. Holding elections in a large country like India is a big task. It needs a lot of planning and organization. The Election Commission is the official body that conducts elections across the country. This body plans the election in detail. It decides the dates on which election will be held in different parts of the country. It ensures that the elections are held peacefully and in a fair manner. It conducts the counting of votes and declares the results. The Election Commission provides all the voters with a voter identity card. This card has all the details of the voter along with his/her photograph. The place where the voters cast their vote is called a polling booth. On the day of elections, the voters go to the polling booth along with their identity card to cast their vote. People cast their vote by secret ballot. Secret ballot is a method of voting in which all votes are cast in secret. The voter is not influenced by any other individual, and no one else knows who the voter voted for. Nowadays, electronic voting machines, EVMs, are used for voting. People cast their vote by just pressing a button. A voter can cast his/her vote only once during one election. Political parties. There are many political parties in our country. The members of any one party share common ideas about ruling the country. Every party prepares their manifesto. A manifesto is a written statement in which a group of people, especially a political party, explain their ideas and say what they will do if they win the election. Every party has its own symbol. When people vote, they can see the symbol and identify the party they want to vote for. Constituencies. For conducting smooth elections, The entire nation is divided into small areas or divisions called constituencies. Only one candidate stands for election from each party in one particular constituency. Candidates of different parties contest against each other. The political party that wins the most constituencies wins the election. The president invites the leader of the winning party to form the government. A government is elected for a period of 5 years. The party which loses forms the opposition in the parliament. There are some candidates who stand for election but do not belong to any political party. Such candidates are called independent candidates. The government frames rules and policies for the country. The opposition raises questions and debates on these rules and policies before they are implemented. Sometimes when no single party wins a clear majority, some parties come together to form a government. This type of government is called a coalition government. Voting. Voting is a right of every Indian citizen who has completed 18 years of age. The idea of democracy is built on the foundation of voting system. It is the most important responsibility of the citizens to vote and choose their representatives sensibly. People should choose the most suitable candidate to represent them in the government. In a democratic government, the supreme power is in the hands of the people because they choose their leaders. Therefore, free and fair elections are very important.